Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the BiSSELL BigGreen Commercial PowerForce Bagged Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner, model BGU14551T. If you're on the hunt for a solid, no-nonsense vacuum that can handle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease, this vacuum could be worth your attention. Let's dive right into what makes this model stand out and whether it lives up to its promises. The BiSSELL BigGreen PowerForce comes with a 13-inch cleaning path, which is a good balance between maneuverability and efficiency, making it ideal for tackling both small and medium-sized rooms. Weighing in at just 12 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for a commercial-grade vacuum. This is a big plus, especially if you need to move it between rooms or navigate stairs. It's not so heavy that it feels cumbersome, but it's built solidly enough to handle industrial-level cleaning tasks. This model is powered by a 10-amp motor, providing a good amount of suction power, enough to clean both carpets and hard floors effectively. The motor is designed to offer strong performance without losing power over time, which is crucial for maintaining consistent cleaning results. The 30-foot cord provides ample reach for larger areas, so you don't have to keep plugging and unplugging, which is an obvious convenience for long cleaning sessions. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its 3-stage filtration system. This makes it a strong option for those who are looking for more than just a clean floor. The filtration helps capture dust, dirt, and allergens, which is an important consideration if anyone in your home suffers from allergies. While it's not a HEPA system, the 3-stage filtration does a solid job of trapping particles that can often escape standard vacuums. The height adjustment feature is another plus. With 5 different height settings, you can easily adjust the vacuum to suit different carpet depths, making it versatile across a variety of flooring types. Whether you're dealing with thick pile carpets, area rugs, or hard floors, you'll have no trouble customizing the cleaning experience. For cleaning versatility, the BiSSELL BigGreen PowerForce includes several useful attachments. The crevice tool is perfect for tight corners and edges, while the combination dusting brush upholstery tool is designed for furniture and delicate surfaces. The extension wand adds extra reach, allowing you to clean high shelves or ceilings without straining your back. All of these tools are conveniently stored on the back of the vacuum, so you'll always have them within easy reach. Now, let's talk about performance in real-world cleaning situations. In terms of suction power, this vacuum does a good job picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. On carpet, it does particularly well with lifting embedded dirt, though it's not as aggressive on deep pile carpets as some higher-end models. It performs just fine on medium pile and lower carpets, but if you have ultra-thick carpeting, you might want to consider something with a stronger motor or more advanced features. On hard floors, the vacuum excels, quickly sucking up crumbs, dust, and pet hair. It handles fine dust efficiently, leaving the surface clean without much need for a second pass. The attachments work well on upholstery, but when it comes to stairs, the weight of the vacuum may make it a bit tricky to maneuver for some. While it's lightweight overall, carrying it up and down stairs can still be a bit of a hassle compared to more portable handheld options. Pet hair doesn't stand a chance with this vacuum, especially when using the upholstery tool. It pulls up hair without much effort, and the crevice tool is great for getting into those tight spots between cushions. The brush roll does a decent job of avoiding tangles, but if you have long hair or a shedding pet, you'll likely need to clean the brush roll periodically. Now, let's move on to the pros and cons. The BiSSELL BigGreen PowerForce has some strong points. Its lightweight design and powerful suction are huge advantages, especially for regular, everyday cleaning. The large cord gives you the freedom to move around without worrying about running out of power or needing to switch outlets constantly. The filtration system, though not HEPA, is solid for allergen control, and the included attachments make it versatile for various cleaning tasks. On the downside, there are a few things to keep in mind. While it works well on most floors, it may not be as effective on very deep carpets, especially when compared to more expensive models with more powerful motors. The vacuum can also be a bit bulky when you need to carry it, especially if you're moving it up and down stairs or between rooms. Some users may also find that the bag needs to be replaced more frequently than anticipated, though this can depend on the size of the home and the frequency of use. So, is the BiSSELL BigGreen PowerForce a good value for money? Well, considering the price point, it offers strong performance for both commercial and home environments. Its suction power, decent filtration, and lightweight design put it on par with other models in the same range. However, there are alternatives that might offer a bit more for a similar price, especially when it comes to deep carpet cleaning or longer battery life in cordless models. Still, for homes with a mix of floor types, and especially for light commercial use, this vacuum performs well. When comparing it to similar models, the Hoover Commercial Porta-Power, for example, might offer similar portability, but lacks the powerful suction on larger carpeted areas that the BiSSELL provides. Similarly, other commercial vacuums might match or exceed the BigGreen's filtration system, or provide better handling for heavy-duty tasks, but they often come at a higher price. Build quality is a strong suit for the BiSSELL BigGreen PowerForce. It feels robust and solid, without any cheap plastic parts that might break easily. The attachments are easy to use and store, and the motor, though not the quietest on the market, doesn't get uncomfortably loud. Regular maintenance, like clearing the brush roll and changing the bag, is simple, and there are no major complaints about the vacuum's durability after long-term use. Customer service-wise, BiSSELL has a decent reputation for support, and their warranty is competitive. However, like any brand, it's always a good idea to check if your specific model has any known issues, as sometimes bagged models can require more frequent maintenance. In terms of its longevity, the BiSSELL BigGreen PowerForce is built for the long haul. It doesn't feel like something that will fall apart after a few months of use. Given its sturdy construction, I'd expect this vacuum to last for several years, especially in a residential setting. To wrap up, the BiSSELL BigGreen PowerForce is an excellent choice for someone looking for a solid, dependable vacuum cleaner for both home and light commercial use. It's lightweight, efficient, and does a solid job on various floor types. It may not be the best choice for deep carpet cleaning or if you have a heavy shedding pet, but it's a reliable, cost-effective option that will handle most everyday cleaning tasks with ease. If you're looking for something more suited to high-pile carpets or heavy-duty commercial use, you might want to look into more specialized models. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews. The link to grab this vacuum is in the comments box. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences with us in the comments section below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools for the job.